I'll give you one experience, one initiation called depth initiation, the Gana, Diksha, into the dimension of Gana. So, you can start manifesting at least one power.
This is pretty much how they'll be keeping. Can you all see? So the suit, actually in those days, in the ancient times, that is what people used to use it as an eyeliner. Because of rubbing it in the three eyes, your physical eyes and your third eye, you would be just looking through conscious eyes. So you're living life consciously. Now this little Aushadha, the whatever explanation I gave you, that is called Jnananjana. Jnananjana, Aushadha is a whole other game. Aushadha means a herbal preparation which is so potent, it gives you extraordinary capabilities of even mind reading. The regular Jnananjana, which is also translated roughly as the divine knowledge eyeliner, blessed by your guru to see life consciously, that Jnananjana is what we all, us and all the Balasans here, keep regularly. That is why we manifest extraordinary powers. That is why your eyesight will heal completely. You look at people without judgment. You live your life through this transformation. Now, Aushadha, the extreme component, is all about each, for what I'm holding in my hand, this is programmed form, not just consciousness over matter, but also mind reading. And mind reading simply means being able to use the power of the third eye to attend to all the unattended areas of a person. If you do it for others, it's called power manifestation. If you do it for yourself, it is called manifesting a powerful cognition. Only then, when you attend to the unattended zones in you, you have enough freedom, enough energy to be able to play with any reality you want to create. Otherwise, 90% of your energy is only going into bearing the burden of the mind. So mind is nothing but all the unattended things which are taking your energy away from manifesting the realities you want for your life. Clear? But today, we want each of you to have a glimpse, a taste of it. Not taste means not in your mouth, not in your tongue. Right? Taste of it means when our initiated volunteers, disciples of Swamiji, will be coming to you and they will be I'm going to be sending our balasans. You have experienced the power that they radiate. They're going to come and keep a tiny little dot of this right in your brow center. When you keep it in the brow center and Swamiji initiates you, you will experience a first taste of power in consciousness over matter. It's going to be a lot of fun. But are you ready for this? You're all okay? Alright. Your comfort is the first priority. And please understand, whatever we keep on us is what we are sending to you. Please bring all the baskets, please come here. Get the Aushadha boxes with you. Yes. Quickly. Yes. All of them can go down. Please understand, you have already had a one-on-one taste of the powers they radiate and express. They're going to be carrying this and they're going to only keep a small little dot. Understand, Jnananjana is nothing but the liquid form of consciousness. See, consciousness, if it's coming as a big ball of light, you can't relate with it. Multiple ways of your body being able to relate with it has been created in the form of spiritual alchemy products. One is by Swamiji's initiation, by sight. Next is by something that you can directly relate with right in your brow center. That is why the liquefied form of consciousness, in a way your body can relate with, is in the form of this little black paste. Alright? What they will do is, they simply take it and apply it right in the middle of your eyebrows. It immediately enters you and starts bringing a wealth of well-being into you. You are all going to see the beautiful effect of it. Balasans, just a small bit is enough. Rub it into the third eye. With the ring finger, they are going to be placing it on you. With the ring finger, right in the middle of the eyebrows. If any of the Indian women over here are wearing a stickered bindi, I request you to kindly take it off. Stickered bindis are also extremely, how do I say, they simply block your third eye. It is best not to use it. You should use something like Jnananjana or processed turmeric. Back in time, people used to use only this Jnananjana to have distance even across thousands of miles. So a wife would know when her husband is arriving. That is why in those days they did not need phones. Really, they didn't need phones, they did not need iPads, they didn't need anything. And now you need a whole wealth of items, and even then it is not enough. Even then we have communication problems, right? So please ensure that all of you in the room understand it is completely safe, it is most divine, and it will only do good. It will only do good. Actually, if you see the scriptural references for making the Aushadha, you will see it will take almost 4 months to sit and explain the scriptures. What Swamiji is able to do in terms of energizing and making available Aushadha, that means a potent herbal preparation which can keep you at the highest spiritual frequency. Otherwise, you will be a golden bowl. Even if you are a golden bowl, even if nectar is poured in you, one hole in that golden bowl is enough for things to leaken. This Aushadha prevents leakage. Is that making sense? That is it. You may be a great person with a great body and great strength and great devotion and great openness to spirituality. But even if there is one hole in you, hole meaning one interruption of your mind, what occurs immediately, even if nectar is poured into you, it finds a way to seep up. That is why Aushadha. That is why the Aushadha is extreme preparation for those of the people who are going to be arriving at Mahasadashivoham. Because like Swamiji told in the documentary video, you are all going to be literally witnessing extraordinary beings, extraordinary planes of existence, you yourself in alternate dimensions. And right after the initiation, when you play with the power, you will simply understand Paramahamsa Nityananda is a being who delivers what he promises. You are going to see in few short minutes exactly how he is sitting all the way in India. You are sitting all the way in Houston. But just by the sight, by the sounds, you're not only going to see you manifest the power, you will see everybody in this room manifest the power. And you'll see it happen multiple times. Right? That is when you know, when he is promising something, he knows to deliver. That is actually why, that is what marks him as an avatar. So please ensure every one of you has got the Jnananjana Aushadha applied. You should know this little bottle can last you 5 years. 5 years. Like this, we have multiple Aushadhas. There are Aushadhas that Swamiji is creating, like the Putra Kameshti Aushadha. That means those who are yearning for a child, being able to give you a potent herbal preparation. These herbs are not ordinary. These are the kind of herbs which are able to store the energy of the superconscious. Without, that is why they are support for you, added support for you. Yes, Balasans, have we covered everything? Everybody is ready? Everyone towards the end, have you all received? Okay. Balasans 1. Is there anybody here who has not received? Looks like all of you are covered. Okay, that's great. Now I request all of you to be seated. You know, it would be great if You are all available right to the center if possible. If possible, especially this group. If you are all able to come right to the center, be seated. You don't need to worry, how will Swamiji see us? Does he know me? Swamiji always says, he is more, this is the way he talks to the disciples, he say, I am more in you than in my body. It has taken us many years to understand the impact of that statement. That is great. During the initiation process, please do not leave for restroom or bathroom. You have to, your body needs to be here and then listen. Yes? That is why Swamiji gave everyone a break just before. Are we ready? Let's all be seated.
Yes. Please sit straight. Please close your eyes. Sit straight and close your eyes. Let's enter into the initiation process. Shiva Maha Sadashivoham Maha Sadashivoham Maha Sadashivoham Maha Sadashivoham Maha Sadashivoham Kulakundalini. Let Houston experience breathing space of Maha Sadashiva. Let everyone here experience awakening of Kulakundalini. Maha Sadashivoham 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 Maha Sadashivoham
கருணார்ணவமாய் கருதக்கதினல்கும் அருணாச்சல சிவமீதா அதுவே தலம் அருணாச்சலம் தலம் யாவிலும் அதிகம் அது பூமியின் இதயம் அறி அதுவே சிவன் இதய பதியாமொரு மறுமத்தலம் பதியாமவன் அதிலே பதிவானொளி மலையாய் நிதம் அருணாச்சலமெனவே. ஆதி அருணாச்சல பேரற்புதலிங்கத்துருக்குள் ஆதிநாள் மார்கழியில் ஆதிரை அஜோதி எழும் ஈசனை மால் முன்னமரர் ஏற்றி வழிபட்ட நாள் மாசி சிவராத்திரி அம்மற்று. கிரியாக தங்களருளால் உலகம் தாங்குவதற்கன்றி இங்குறைவன் சித்தனென என்றும் எனதுள்ளே பொங்கி ஒளிரும் புகைப்பல் போகமொடு என்றுள்ளே. எல்லா உலகும் தகையவியலால் புல்லாவினைகள் குணமாம் புகலீது
சதாசிவோகம்
எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே எல்லாரருணாச்சலமாம் இதுவே
சதாசிவோகம் சதாசிவோகம்
கருதினாலுமே வருத்தம் வராத வேதம்
சதாசிவோகம்
பார்க்கும் உண்டாமே அறுத்த விஞ்ஞானம் பார்க்கும் உண்டாமே
சதாசிவோகம்
யோசனை மூன்றாம் இத்தலவாசற்கு ஆசருதி கையாதியின்றியுமின் பாசமில் சாயுச்சியம் பயக்கும் ஈசனம் என்றன்
சதாசிவோகம்
ஈசனாம் என்றன் ஆணையினானே.
சதாசிவோகம் 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 சதாசிவோகம்
கருதக்க
சதாசிவோகம்
அருணாச்சல சிவமே.
மகா சதாசிவோகம்